Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both urgent and deeply impactful: Japan's recent earthquake and the subsequent tsunami warnings. On January 13, 2025, a magnitude 6.9 earthquake struck southwestern Japan, triggering temporary tsunami alerts and reminding the world once again of the power of nature. But beyond the headlines, there's a story of resilience, preparedness, and the human spirit. So grab a cup of tea and let's explore what happened, why it matters, and how Japan continues to stand strong in the face of adversity. It was 9:19 p.m. local time when the ground began to shake. A magnitude 6.9 earthquake, centered 18.6 miles deep in the southwestern island of Kyushu, sent tremors across the region. The quake was felt as far as Miyazaki and Kochi prefectures, with residents reporting intense shaking that lasted for several seconds. Japan's meteorological agency initially estimated the magnitude at 6.9, but later revised it down to 6.6 after further analysis. Now, for those unfamiliar, Japan sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a hotspot for seismic and volcanic activity. This makes earthquakes a frequent occurrence, but each one brings its own set of challenges. So what made this quake different? Let's break it down. Within minutes of the earthquake, Japan's meteorological agency issued tsunami advisories for Miyazaki and Kochi prefectures. Residents were warned to stay away from coastal areas, and evacuation orders were put in place as a precaution. The agency estimated that a tsunami wave as high as 3.2 feet could reach land within 30 minutes of the quake. Now, you might be wondering, why such a rapid response? Well, Japan has learned from past tragedies. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami, which claimed over 18,000 lives, was a stark reminder of the importance of early warnings and preparedness. This time, the system worked as intended, and thankfully, the tsunami waves that reached Miyazaki port were only about 8 inches high. While the tsunami threat was relatively minor, the earthquake itself caused some disruption. Trains in Miyazaki Station came to a halt, leaving passengers stranded. One man in Kyushu was slightly injured after falling down some stairs, but overall, there were no immediate reports of major damage. Japan's strict building codes and regular emergency drills undoubtedly played a role in minimizing the impact. But let's not forget the human element, the quick thinking of individuals, the coordination of authorities, and the resilience of communities. It's a testament to what can be achieved when preparation meets action. Now let's take a moment to understand the science behind this earthquake. Japan lies at the convergence of several tectonic plates, making it one of the most seismically active regions in the world. The Nankai Trough, a subduction zone off the coast of Shikoku, is particularly notorious for its potential to trigger massive quakes. In fact, a Nankai Trough quake in 1946 killed over 1,300 people. Experts at Japan's meteorological agency are closely monitoring the situation, especially in light of recent tremors in the Hyuganada Sea. While they've ruled out any immediate connection to a larger Nankai Trough event, the possibility of aftershocks remains a concern. Japan's history is marked by devastating earthquakes, but each one has brought valuable lessons. The 2011 disaster, for instance, led to significant improvements in tsunami warning systems, evacuation protocols, and nuclear safety measures. It also highlighted the importance of community support and international cooperation. Today, Japan is better equipped than ever to handle such events, but as the saying goes, disasters don't wait. That's why continuous preparation and education are so crucial. Behind every disaster, there are stories of courage and kindness. Take, for example, the Kobe-based broadcaster Sun Television, which issued multi-language tsunami evacuation warnings in the wake of the Noto Peninsula earthquake in 2024. Their efforts ensured that non-Japanese speakers could also access life-saving information. These stories remind us that in times of crisis, humanity shines brightest. Whether it's a broadcaster going the extra mile or a neighbor lending a hand, it's these acts of solidarity that make all the difference. As Japan continues to rebuild and prepare for future challenges, one thing is clear: resilience is a journey, not a destination. From cutting-edge technology to grassroots initiatives, the nation is constantly evolving to better protect its people, and that's a lesson for all of us. No matter where we live, being prepared and looking out for one another can make all the difference when disaster strikes. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Japan's recent earthquake and tsunami warnings. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the world around us. Thank you for watching.